Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're going to go do our chores today. We're going to take you along. We're also going to move the goats. So do chores plus move the goat. So come on, let's take a ride with us. Okay, we're down at the barn and I'm going to move Gigi in with the other goats, in with the male, because she's, I think she might be getting ready to get in heat. She's been acting kind of weird here the last few days. So I'm just going to throw a little food over here and get them away from the door. Then we'll get her and move her in there with these others. Let's go, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. All right, come on. All right, this way. Come on now. Come on, you're all right. Hold on. Hold on.
It's okay, Gigi.
It's okay.
You're okay.
So my plans are, and I might do that this week, I'm going to replace this door with a solid door. And I've got a feeder that's made for them. It's like it's got like a hay thing in front, on top, then a food thing in the bottom. So I'm going to put this in there, and I'm going to go in there and walk in there and feed them. So they're fighting. Now, them two over there are her daughters, and this is the new buck. So I figured they'd get along a little better because they've been side by side. All right, I want to throw some hay and get the chicken feed loaded up, and we're gonna go down and feed the chickens. And kind of looks like it's coming a storm, so we gotta get busy. I know some of you have seen that feed bag in the back. It's not got feed in it. That's what I put my old hay in to make for them to make nests with. So, best thing I could find and look at that. Look how clean them eggs are. A whole lot in here today, though. Oh shoot, that one's broke. Well, I haven't been counting, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Lucky 13. All right, let's go to the next one. Beautiful. Let's see, it's 13, 15, 16, 18. So, it's 18. We should be usually about 7 or 8 down right now, but usually one day a week they're kind of don't lay as much. So this must be the day.
It's Sunday.
Yeah,
This
it is
their day of
Sunday.
rest.
They're taking a day off, so.
It's their day of rest.
All right, we got one more. Let's go get it. Where's that, 18? This is 20, 22. Wow, these old girls did all right today. 24. That's a pretty egg. 26. So, on average, we've been getting about 30, so we're at 26. Not too bad. Not too bad for a Sunday. All right, I got the sheep to move, but they're up there next to the house, so we're going to ride through the garden. We ride through it every day, just kind of check. So let's ride through it real quick. So these are our pumpkins that we direct sow. You're like a Dixon or like a Connecticut field, something like that. They look really good. I like to put them in give you a little shot of fertilizer. All right, next one's up there is watermelon. This is our little watermelon patch, and kind of big one right here. Getting close. A few more days, they'll be ready.
Yeah, good size one right there, too.
Yeah.
There's a little one right underneath
Yeah.
where you're putting it.
It still got its little curlicue. That right there is going to be the first one, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, I don't see no damage. Let's go over and check the cantaloupe real quick. So over here's our cantaloupes, and this is a good little cross section. The three are loaded out this year. I ate one, me and Emily ate one yesterday, and we ate one today. They're like about another week, I think, but they have, you talk about some really good flavor. So, we got a deer problem, and that's what I'm looking for. We seen a deer here the other day, and I'm afraid they'll come down here and smash them. But I haven't seen nothing yet, so. Kind of why I'm keeping my eye on. We keep our eye on them every day. All right, let's go. The pumpkins are looking good over here. I think she got a shot of that.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go over and check the squash, and we'll talk about what we got to do over there real quick. So we will have these for sale at our farm stand whenever they get ready. There's a bunch more right there, and you can see big old ones there. As soon as they get ready, and probably about another week, I think. So keep an eye out. So this is our second planting of squash and zucchini. Oh my gosh, yeah, I might have to come down here and pick. Still got a lot of blooms, and yeah, I might come down and pick. We're gonna have to dip. I'm kind of behind on my cleanup, so just keep coming. I'm gonna clear field. These on the right are still. I still got maybe another week on these on the left. We sold out an eggplant at the market Saturday. I'm going to have to come up here and weed these things. Wow, look at that. Look at that thing's beautiful. So I've said before, this is our first year growing eggplants. And they have done fantastic. I guess it might have been a variety. I'm going to have to double check what the variety is. And make sure I get that again. These are our bill pumpkins over there. We picked those pretty hard for Saturday, and they didn't have a pumpkin this time. Jalapenos. We picked them pretty hard Saturday too. I think they're probably going to go too.
Do some weeding. Some low one and weed.
These beans are played out, so we're going to clip them probably tomorrow, hopefully.
Maybe these some of them.
I think I've got some second planting intermingled in with these zucchini, so I'm going to wait on them. But this squash here, this row of squash, I'm going to clip it and replant. Okra over here, now we've had a fantastic year. This over here, closest to the camera, is the old Clemson stock, the Clemson 99. And I don't like it as well, but whatever variety I plant on that other row, man, that is some fantastic okra. Because they'll get long, but they don't get, like these Clemson will get real hard. You let them get just slightly too big. But them over there, man, they're really nice. So I might check on that. You can see these plants over there. They ain't got no blooms or nothing, so they're ready to go. Okra's good though. I'm gonna come down here and mow tomorrow maybe. All right, let's go feed the sheep.
He must be hungry.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry. It's getting close to supper. All right, we appreciate you riding along with us. We're just fixing to beat the rain. It's just now started, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. You heard the thunder, seen the lightning, so we're gonna go to the house. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for my help today.
You're welcome.
Hey, we do a live every Monday night, 7:30. Me and her, she hosts. Come over and see it, and we talk about anything you want to talk about. Hey, appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that. Let me move this. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, there you go. Help me one time. And share, like, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here at the farm next video. Say bye.